Welcome to Amazing Century, where we showcase the world's most colossal and powerful machines. In today's video, we'll dive into the top 9 most beloved mowing and baling machines. Don't look away, as you're about to witness mind-blowing power and engineering. The new Holland Big Baler 330 is one of the most advanced and powerful balers on the market. Capable of producing large uniform and tightly packed bales, the Big Baler 330 is perfect for large-scale farms. Its IntelliCruise technology optimizes efficiency by automatically adjusting the tractor's speed. The knotter system minimizes twine breakage during baling, ensuring maximum productivity. Equipped with an IntelliView display, operators can monitor every operation seamlessly. Its ability to operate continuously saves significant time and labor costs. This machine is ideal for large fields requiring quick and efficient handling. The Fendt 826 is a versatile tractor equipped with a powerful 6-cylinder engine delivering up to 260 horsepower. Its standout feature is the Vario transmission system, which ensures smooth operation and exceptional fuel efficiency. The cab is designed for comfort, featuring intuitive controls and a premium touchscreen display. Suitable for a variety of tasks from mowing and baling to soil preparation, the Fendt 826 is highly adaptable. Its front suspension system reduces vibrations and enhances road grip. This advanced technology not only boosts productivity but also minimizes operator fatigue. The Fendt 826 is the perfect choice for modern farms seeking a powerful, efficient, and flexible solution. The Massey Ferguson 7719 is one of the most reliable and beloved tractors in agriculture. Equipped with a high-performance 6-cylinder engine, this machine delivers up to 190 horsepower, catering to a variety of needs from mowing and baling to soil preparation. Its DynaVT transmission offers smooth and precise operation, optimizing both speed and traction. The cab is designed for modern comfort, featuring a spacious interior, air-suspended seats, and an intuitive control panel, ensuring operator comfort even during long working hours. The power management technology significantly reduces fuel consumption without compromising performance. Durable and versatile, the Massey Ferguson 7719 is suitable for both small fields and large-scale operations. The John Deere 560M is a standout round baler, combining cutting-edge technology with exceptional durability. The machine features a mega-wide plus system, enabling efficient pickup of grass, straw, or other crops while minimizing clogging during operation. It can produce robust round bales with diameters up to 1.8 m, enhancing transportation and storage efficiency. Its powerful engine and automatic lubrication system ensure stable performance over extended periods. The John Deere 560M also comes with a BaleTrack Pro control system, allowing operators to monitor and adjust settings effortlessly. With a sturdy steel frame and wear-resistant design, the machine guarantees high durability even under tough conditions. The new Holland BC6070 is one of the best square balers designed for medium and large farms. Equipped with an advanced airflow system, the machine ensures consistent bale formation without breakage during transportation. Its exclusive flow action feeding technology handles various types of hay and straw effortlessly, even with high moisture content. The new Holland BC6070 can produce hundreds of robust square bales per hour, maximizing your productivity. Its compact and versatile design allows it to navigate different terrains with ease. The machine also features an automatic knotter system, minimizing twine breakage and ensuring flawless bales every time. Easy maintenance is another highlight, saving both time and effort. The Heston 6610 is one of the most beloved classic round balers, known for its durability and robust performance. Utilizing exclusive roll-forming technology, it creates consistently sized and tightly packed round bales, optimizing storage and transportation. Powered by a strong engine, the Heston 6610 performs efficiently even with damp hay or heavy straw. With the capability to produce round bales up to 1.5 meters in diameter, it is well suited for medium to large farms. The straightforward yet effective control system allows operators to monitor and adjust settings with ease. Its thick steel frame and automatic lubrication system enhance longevity and reduce maintenance needs. The Krone Big M 450 is a colossal and versatile mowing machine designed to handle large fields quickly and efficiently. With a cutting width of up to 9.9 meters, it can cover vast areas in minimal time. Powered by a 449 horsepower Liebherr engine, it delivers exceptional power while remaining fuel efficient, enabling extended operation. Its cutting system includes a mulcher and automatic swath formation, optimizing both mowing and collection processes. The modern cab features a touchscreen display and air conditioning, ensuring maximum comfort for the operator. The Big M 450 is equipped with ISOBUS technology, allowing easy management and adjustment of all technical parameters. The Kloss Cougar 1400 is known as the giant of mowing thanks to its unique design and outstanding performance. With a cutting width of up to 14 meters, it effortlessly tackles large fields in record time. Powered by a robust 500 horsepower engine, the Cougar 1400 operates efficiently and reliably on various terrains. Its cutting system uses high-quality blades, ensuring sharp and precise cuts. The modern cab features a swivel seat, intelligent control display, and shock absorption system, providing a comfortable operating experience. The machine incorporates energy management technology, reducing fuel consumption while maintaining peak performance. The new Holland H9870 is a state-of-the-art harvesting and baling machine designed to meet large-scale production demands. With a high-powered 400 horsepower engine, it efficiently handles expansive fields. Its integrated harvesting and baling system streamlines the workflow, swiftly collecting crops and producing sturdy bales. Advanced auto-steering technology allows the machine to adjust its path automatically, ensuring precision and minimizing waste. The cab is equipped with modern amenities, including a comfortable seat, air conditioning, and a touchscreen display for monitoring performance. The machine also supports knotter and twine box options for secure and resource-efficient baling. Thank you for watching today's video on Amazing Century. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you next time on another fascinating journey into the world of incredible machines.